Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3 Connecting the Dots, written by Steve Jobs. It's the speech given by Steve Jobs in front of the graduation students in America. Okay, means here he is given some part of his speech which is related to his courage and determination. Yesterday we have seen Miss Steve Jobs life means his story of first story of his life is related to connected the dot. Means Steve Jobs, he is a student who goes by his means he was the not interested for the college education. He has but he has means thirst for the knowledge, but prefer subject that he find interesting. Means whatever he does not give the prefer to his college education, but he give the prefer for what he finds the interesting and avoids those that he finds uninteresting. Means whatever he did not have the interest, he finds it uninteresting. Even though he has enrolled for them, he is ready to face all kinds of hardship in order to study what he wants to. Means he faces many kinds of hardship in his while he went to the Reed College. Okay, and Steve Jobs had a natural curiosity. He had a natural curiosity, and also he has a power of understanding. And he also had an instinct about what makes something really great. Means his habit is store something, store the knowledge. His habit is to store the knowledge and to use this knowledge for the future. Okay, to use this knowledge means he store this knowledge in his mind, and that knowledge he use for his future. Okay, for his future. Now next part, see, also we have seen means here we can't means he said that his opinion is that we can't connect the dot looking forward, but we can connect the dot looking backward. And he also trust on the means he trust on the gut, karma or destiny of life, and this approach allow him to make the difference to his life. Now next we are going to learn now second story of his life, which is related to love and loss. Okay, my second story is about love and loss. He tells us that his second story is related to love and loss. I found what I love to do early in my life. Means he said that means he found that whatever he loved to do early in his life was Steve Wozniak, and I started Apple when I was 20. His friend Steve Wozniak or Oz means they started Apple when he was only 20 years old. Okay, when he was only 20 years old, that time he started Apple. Apple, everyone know Apple means there are many Apple computer is there, Apple iPhone, Apple mobile. He started this when he was only 20 years old. In 10 years, Apple had grown from just the two of us in a garage into a 2 billions company. Means it is when it started, when that Apple company started, it had just means a garage. It is just a garage that time. But they changed that garage into the 2 billion company. And then I got fired. And I got fired. Got fired means lost the job. Means he lost the job. Okay, lost the job or something that is not beneficial to this company, and it was devastating. It was very means it was very shock. Okay, means he get a shock that time. He get a shock means it's caused the shock. It caused the distress to Steve Jobs. Also, it gives the very sadness to the Steve Jobs. Devastating means causing severe shock, distress and grief. Grief means sadness. But something slowly began to dawn on me. I still loved what I did, and so I decided to start over. But something slowly began to dawn on. Began to dawn on means began to become clear to. Means something is clear, slowly clear to him. Okay, means whatever in his inner mind, that is something there is clear in his mind. Something that idea, it is clear in his mind. I still loved what I did, because he loved whatever he had done. He still loved to this thing. He still loved to this thing, and that's why he decided to start over. Start again. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. Means the heaviness of being successful. Means whatever the means successfuls, the way of success. It is not easy. It is not easy, but we can replace. We can replace the lightness of being a beginner again. But something that which is lightness of being, we can do something. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. And this hardship of his life related to his love and loss, it freed himself to enter one of the most creative period of his life. Means this hardship, he said that it is the most creative period for his life. During the next 5 years, I started a company, and during the next 5 years, means after he there was some loss of Apple. After the period of this 5 year, he started a company next. Means next company had started. Another company named Pixar. And name of the another company means during the next 5 year, he started the company Pixar and fell in love with an amazing woman who would become my wife. Means he also fell in love, okay, with an amazing, which amazing means it's a very beautiful woman or a very surprising woman who would become his wife. Pixar is now the world's most successful animation studio, and that Pixar is nowadays, it is a way means most successful animation studio. Apple bought Next. I returned to Apple, and the technology we develop at Next is at the heart of Apple's current renaissance. Means he said that Apple's, because he said that when you are looking backward, that time only we can do something. We can connect the dot. Like this way, he returned to Apple. Means he think about the Apple, means he think about his previous period, and means whatever the his knowledge related to Apple, he used this knowledge. He used this knowledge for develop to the Next, develop to the Pixar. Okay, and it is the heart of Apple. Means whatever his development of Pixar, it is the heart of Apple's current renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. Means it is a rebirth of Apple. Pixar is the rebirth of Apple. And Lauren and I have a wonderful family together. And his wife name is, means his story is related to love, and his love is Lauren. Okay, means his wife's name is Lauren. Means like this way he become the successful. Also he faces the losses also related to Apple, but again he from this loss he rebirth the Pixar, and it is the means story of his love and loss. Okay, and Steve and Lauren, they married and they have a wonderful family together. Next we will learn next period. Thank you.